Hi everybody, I'm back to showcase another little utility app that I made. This one is kind of like a password vault, but the only difference is that you don't have to actually store only passwords. The app supports pretty much anything for a value, I've stored website addresses, mnemonic wallet keys. Anyway, it's pretty robust. Yeah, so hold on, I have to make sure I know the right repository address. There we go. Okay, now that I got that taken care of, let's try this again. There we go. This command right here is this is what makes it executable. That's what that is, plus executable. You need to do that first before you can run it. First time you run it, it's going to want you to create a master password. Ew, what the fuck was that? I thought I motherfucking fixed that. Hold on. Oh my god. Man, fuck it. Alright. Wrong password? Motherfucker. Oh my god. Finally. The vault is empty. Perfect. Okay, so yeah, this is like a badass motherfucking password app. Add entry, okay, so you can name this shit like whatever you wanna fucking name it. Like black as fuck. Oh my god, I guess you can't do it on fucking Linux. Never mind. Sorry guys. Anyway, watch, I can store it like that. Let's. Oh, it didn't keep the character things in there, but yeah, look. So there's no complexity requirements, right? The only thing I haven't I should have added like an export or import, which I'll do, pretty soon. Anyway, enjoy, you guys. I'll fucking make it so that you can back it up to cloud services too. So, anyway. Oh yeah, if you do not save and exit, none of the shit you did will save. Alright guys, talk to you later. Enjoy.